Hey, so I recently had a request to show how to organize a junk drawer. So for your viewing pleasure today, I have dumped everything out of my junk drawer. I'm gonna show you how to tackle it. So like always, you wanna pull everything out and start sorting into light categories. So I'm gonna get sorting. So now that I have things sorted, I'm gonna figure out how best to contain them. So I am actually going to use these containers from the Container Store. They're called the Everything Bin, and I'm using them because it's what I already had on hand. But about a month ago now, I think, I did a review of a similar container from both Amazon and Walmart, and they are like a quarter of the price, if not a fifth of the price. So we're comparing like a $5 bin to a buck or a buck and a quarter. So I would, as you look at the three of these, let me see if I can put all three of those up there. They are almost the exact same size. They have slightly different patterns on the bottom and slightly different edges on the top, but they fit the exact same amount of stuff. So in terms of quality, I'm pretty sure they are made by the exact same people, maybe just in a slightly different mold so that it can target the different companies. I don't know, but I think these are a good solution that you can purchase from Walmart or Amazon instead. So here we go. I'm gonna start putting these things away into their new homes. My junk drawer has been organized with different containers. I also, as I was thinking about what I place where, you want to put frequently used items closer to your reach. So things like tape, scissors that we go for often, followed by Sharpies, dry erase, and then highlighters, which we rarely use, towards the back of the drawer. So I've also got my pencils and my pens, so the kids will come get these when it's time for school. Homework. Keys that we use daily, and then this is like miscellaneous home. So I always like to keep a tape measure in the house. I always keep a little screwdriver in here, so it just saves me a few extra steps from having to go out into the garage. Okay, that's all for today. If you found this helpful, give me a thumbs up or heart.